How to add photos in Google Maps. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Maps on your device. Then, click on Search button at the top and then search for the place where you want to add photos. I have simply selected this location. Click on the location. After that, click on Photos at the bottom. After you have clicked on Photos, you will find Add a Photo option. Click on Add a Photo, which will open all your photos from the device. Select the photo you want to post and press on Post at the top right corner of your screen. After that, you're good to go. It will be posted in this specific location. This is how to add photos in Google Maps. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.